All right, so this is lesson 2, Intro to HTML. And I know I said I wasn't going to do a video for every single one, but I want to make sure that you understand how you're supposed to be following instructions. Okay, so this is Code Studio. Welcome to Web Lab. The platform you are in is called Web Lab. There are 3 main parts of the screen in Web Lab. You have the very left. This is the file section. This is your workspace, and this is your preview. Okay? It's always going to have a do this. This is where you find out what to do. Okay? Because it's going to give you the instructions. So read what's at the top, and then read the do this, and then do it. Okay? If you don't do it, you will not learn anything. Okay? So, let's do this together. Try typing something in the workspace. You must do if you want to learn. Press refresh and save to see it in the preview area. Bam. Okay, now look, if you don't have this refresh and save button, click this button 2 times. Okay, so whenever you click it 1 time, that's what happens, and then click it again, and that refresh and save button should show up. All right, whenever you get done doing the do this, you click the finish, but wait, there's more. This documentation button, it will take you to this area. Now this is kind of like, I don't want to say a cheat sheet because it's not cheating. It's just kind of like a reference guide. Okay, so if you need help with any of these, once we get to them, you click that documentation button and it will show you how to do it, tell you what it is, like just kind of give you a refresher. If you need the instructions read to you.
Welcome to Web Lab. The platform you are in is called Web Lab. There are 3 main parts of the screen in Web Lab. To this, try typing something in the workspace.
Okay, that is definitely not the voice I would have chosen, but it is what it is. Okay. So we're just gonna, okay. So now we got some bigger voice settings. Change the voice speed, change it to a male. That's not gonna be any better.
Hashtag welcome to Web Lab. The platform you are in is called Web Lab. There are 3 main parts of the screen in Web Lab.
Okay, I mean, I do like that. That's not too bad. Okay, text preferences. Ooh, look, Comic Sans, please don't. Okay, you can change that. Let's see, grammar preferences. Syllables, reading. I don't see, oh, translate, yes. Okay, so we're going to take a quick little break and see how this goes, because this is kind of new.
Lab. Hashtag do this. Try type.
Yeah, nothing was translated. So, oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. Does it read it to you though?
Almohadilla, bienvenido a Web Lab. La plataforma en la que se encuentra se llama.
My gosh, that's amazing. Okay, so wonderful. All right, so whenever you get done with the do this, click finish. It's going to take you on to the next bubble. Well, this one's a diamond, okay? It's gonna... You watch the video, you learn things. Read the question to consider. What are the different parts of the Web Lab and what are they used for? When you're done watching the video, hit continue. All right, don't skimp out on this stuff or this is not going to be a very successful unit for you. All right, here we are again. Let me make sure I got my students' view. Okay. Explore HTML. This is a web page written in HTML. Okay, so read this and then do this. All right, how do I use the inspector tool? This section is going to have tips for you. So if you have a question about something, check this section first. Okay? Because this is always going to have good tips. And you just keep working through. All right? If you have any questions, please let me know.